Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious salmon jerky in your oven. First, select high-quality salmon fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick. Next, carefully remove the skin and any pin bones to ensure a smooth texture. Then, slice the salmon against the grain into uniform strips, about 1/4 of an inch thick. This preparation is crucial for even drying and a perfect jerky consistency. Now, let's create a flavorful marinade. Whisk together soy sauce, brown sugar, and your preferred spices like garlic powder, black pepper, and a touch of liquid smoke. Place your prepared salmon strips into a shallow dish and pour the marinade over them, making sure every piece is fully submerged. Cover the dish and refrigerate for a minimum of 8 hours, or even better, overnight, to infuse maximum flavor. With your salmon fully marinated, it's time for dehydration. Preheat your oven to a very low temperature, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Line baking sheets with wire racks and arrange the salmon strips in a single layer, ensuring no pieces are overlapping. Bake for approximately 3 to 6 hours, or until the jerky is firm and pliable. Remember to flip the strips halfway through for even drying. Once your salmon jerky is perfectly dried, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. This step is important for achieving the right texture. Once cooled, store your delicious homemade jerky in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or refrigerate for longer freshness. It's a fantastic snack. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.